Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Get excited, get excited, get excited. We're going to jump right into this video. I'm so excited. So I'm doing a Mary J. Blige transformation video. I started this years ago and I did so many different series on it. So I'm going to start a new series this year with this Mary J. Blige look. You know, that's my girl, Mary J. Blige, with the blonde hair. I'm using a short blonde wig in this one. But if you guys want me to come back and do another series with her long hair that she's rocking in her concerts now, drop it in the comment section. I will do my best to take care of that. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. So what I'm doing now, I'm just putting some eyeshadow, like a burgundy eyeshadow on the eye area. And then in the crease area, I'm using like an orange eyeshadow just to blend out the burgundy, to give it more definition around the eye area. I love doing makeup. It's been a minute since I've really got into it, so I'm really trying my best to get back into it. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. So basically I'm using a fluffy brush just to blend out the crease area and any harsh lines that may be there. So that's what I'm doing now. And then here, and you know, you guys know I always do wing outs. I love wing outs because it gives my face a lifting effect. As you know, as we mature, our skin tends to change, and oh my God, I don't like the change. But anyway, we are going to age gracefully. Get excited, everybody. So what I did here, I did the eyeliner. I used the liquid eyeliner first, and now I'm taking some black eyeshadow just to give it a matte texture so it can last longer. So basically that's what I'm doing there. So first I use the eyeliner, liquid liner, and then I use the black eyeshadow over it. As you guys know, lately I've been only using shimmer eyeshadow in my tear duct area and my brow bone area, because as we mature in life, shimmer will make the eyes look much older. So I'm only going to put it in the tear duct area, give it a pop, add a little pop of color to this look. So that's what I'm doing here. It's a gold. I think it's like a beige gold, like a champagne gold. So I think that's what I'm using. Now, I was introduced to this Danessa Marix. It's called Danessa Marix Tint. Wait, I have it next to me. Tint Serum. OMG. OMG. I went and got it from Sephora. I saw somebody on Instagram using this. Not Instagram, TikTok. And I said I had to try it. Now let me tell you something. This is for anti-aging. It's going to hydrate your skin. And serum. You know serum go past under the dermis. So it's going to keep the skin looking youthful. So when I tried that, I saw immediate results. Look at that. Look at that. Look how smooth and hydrating that look. Because you know, as we mature, the skin tends to go to the dry side. So that, it's a #1 goal for me. So this is going to be my new foundation. I'm so excited because I've been using Maybelline, the Maybelline Dewy for the past year and a half. But this is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the texture of it. And it's not drying. Look at how it hydrates and it blends. It feels good too. It feels good. It doesn't feel drying. It's not cakey. And I just love it. And I guess it's because the serum that's inside of it. So that's what I love about it. So it's a go-to product for mature skin. Listen to me. This is a go-to product for mature skin. So I'm using a sponge just to pat it in. And basically that's it. That's my preference. You can use a brush, that's on you, but I love applying my foundation with a sponge. So I just took some concealer. I think this is an e.l.f. concealer. This is another hydrating concealer. And like I said in my previous video, if you have not seen it already, you need to go watch it. Go watch my Angie Stone videos. So as I said in the previous video, if you have dry skin, it's good to get a hydrating concealer. It makes a big difference under the eye area. So this is a pretty good one. This is by e.l.f. I don't know the name of the color at all. I don't remember the color. But I just recently started using it this year. I bought it last year and never really used it that much. So this is just going to highlight around my eye area. In the middle of my face, I'm just highlighting with the concealer. As you guys can see, get excited. If you like the video, thumbs it up if you like it so far. I love doing makeovers for like Fantasia and Mary J. Blige. I love doing those kind of makeup transformation. So now I'm using a white eyeliner in my waterline, and this is going to brighten my eyes and open it up. I don't care for using black eyeliner too much. I prefer white just to widen my eyes and give my eyes that brightness. So you can use white, tan. What's your preference? Go for it. Go for it. But see what the difference? It's a big difference. Child, get excited, everybody. So right now, I'm taking the eyeshadow that I use in my lid area and I'm placing it underneath the bottom lid area, and that's going to help seal in, not seal in, it would help with any creasing. So if you get creasing under your eye area, just take your eyeshadow that you use on your eyelid and just apply it on the bottom lid. You'll see a big difference. I saw a big difference when I tried this method. Oh my God. And then I'm blending it up to where the eyeliner is, so everything could connect. It's a big difference. See the big difference? Oh my God. It's a big difference. Try this method and tell me what you think about it. Try it and tell me what you think about it. So look at that. It's a big difference. And I don't like to use too much powder on my skin because my skin is dry and I can't take all that powder and make my skin feel tight, and I hate it. So this worked pretty well. If you're going to use powder, if you have dry skin, make sure you use a loose powder, translucent, or one close to your skin tone. It makes a world of a difference. Trust me when I tell you that. It makes a world of a difference. I try to stay away from the powder because it's too much of me. Yes, I do. So right now I'm just lining my lips. Yeah, I'm lining it with like a burgundy liner, and I basically just, my goal was to just line the outer corners, and that was it. I think I just went overboard here. So that's that. So now I'm applying some lipstick, and you know, for some reason this time of the year I love pink lips. I don't know why. Every time spring tends to roll around, a couple of weeks before spring, I start pulling out all my pink lipsticks. Oh my God. So it just gave it a pop. So I'm just applying it in the middle area. And I love pink around this year. I love pink. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you think about this look. This is my twist on it. This is my twist on this Mary J. Blige look. This is my series, and I'm coming back with some more. So this is a Petal. This brand is called Petal. I bought it for someone when I was working in Macy's, and I found it the other day. I said I need to use this, and it's like a matte texture. So that's why I'm applying lip gloss, you know, so it can pop more. Look at that, make my lips nice and full. I like that fullness. I love the fullness. Yes, indeed. So this is my Mary J. Blige swag. I hope you guys love it. I hope you love it. And you know Mary J. Blige, she be rocking them baseball caps. Get excited, everybody. She be rocking them baseball caps, especially when she performing, honey. And you know, I love baseball caps, if you guys haven't noticed. So I crocheted this one, and I love it. Tell me what you guys think about it. So I'm throwing on my frame, just add a little twist to this, a little pop to it. You know how it goes. And look at that. Don't that look fabulous, guys? Get excited, everybody. Thanks for watching this video. Thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And tell everybody you know we're making a mark that cannot be.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.